I'm Mike Madigan, the CTO at WH Trading, and I've worked here about 16 years. WH Trading is a proprietary trading firm. The firm started in 1995. It was all open outcry in the trading pits. We've moved to electronic trading globally, have our own platforms, our own software, and we trade on a number of exchanges across the world. At WH, we try and hire very competitive people, both on the technology side and the trader side. A lot of the traders are ex-athletes, and on the technology side, we try and go for the best and the brightest, both in terms of software development and systems engineering. We had a phone system that needed to be replaced because the version of software we were running on was no longer supported. At the same time, we had a third-party conference bridge system that was no longer going to be supported because the company was going out of business. As it turned out, Netrix talked to us about the ability to embed the conference system within a new version of the call manager. So we were able to upgrade the call manager, have a new conference system that we were under control of, and at the end of the day, we ended up saving a significant amount of money because we no longer had the third-party vendor in the process. Bringing the conference bridge system in-house as part of the call manager allows us to have a more reliable system that we can support and have better feedback with the traders, how the system's working, and dealing with any problems. Having the Cisco upgrade allows us to have support from Cisco SmartNet, and our admin team can now call them and get the support they need for the product.